Alright guys, the first deal I'm going to break down is this Gerber snacks deal. You can buy the Gerber fruit and veggie melts or yogurt melts, or the little crunchies or the puffs. The little crunchies and the puffs are cheaper than the yogurt melts, but you can still do them. Alright, so I'm going to break down the puffs or the little crunchies. They are regular price $2 a piece. The cheapest way to do this deal is to buy 20. I did do another breakdown in case you didn't want to buy 20, where it's going to cost you a little bit more, but we're going to break this one down first. Buy 20 of the snacks at $2 a piece. After the sale, it's going to come to $30. Use 5 of the 150 off 4 printable coupon. It's going to be in the link below. And then use 4 of the extra savings flyer coupon. It's found in the coupon book in the front of the store. And pay just $10.50 for 20 of them, or 53 cents a piece. Now, if you don't want to buy 20, you don't have a place to store 20, you don't have a friend you could split 20 with, whatever, you could buy 5, and that's going to come to $8 after the $2 off 4 sale. Use 1 of the 150 off 4 printable coupon, that's the manufacturer coupon, and then stack that with the $3 off 5 coupon in the extra savings flyer, making them just 70 cents a piece. Alright, Garnier Fructis products are on sale. Buy 2, get $2 off. In your Save for 11 insert, there is a $4 off 2 coupon on the shampoo, conditioner, treatment, or styling products, which is included in the sale. So these guys are regularly $3.99 a piece. If you buy 2, you get $2 off. So that is going to make them $5.98 for 2. Then you use the $4 off 2 coupon and pay 99 cents a piece. Let's see. Looks like they have upped the price of these guys to $4.29, so they'll just be a little bit more, like 15 cents more a piece. But these guys, or no, 30 cents more a piece. But these guys will still be the $1 price. So I'm going to update my picture here for y'all for the next breakdown. But it looks like the only ones that are $3.99 still are the conditioning cream gel. Next up is this Dove Men Plus Care body wash. It is on sale. Buy 2, get $3 off. In your upcoming insert on Sunday, the Save insert on 4/18, there is a BOGO Dove body wash coupon. It's for buy 1 Dove body wash, get 1 Dove Men Plus Care body wash free. You may use that on both purchases, can be the Dove Men Plus Care. So you would buy 2 of the Dove Men Plus Care body wash, get the $3 off for the sale, making them $8.18 after the sale. Then use 1 BOGO Dove body wash coupon and pay $2.59 for 2, or just $1.30 a piece. It wouldn't absolutely be a terrible deal to do the women's body wash if you would like to do that, because it is on sale for $5.99. So it's only going to be 40 cents more to buy 1 women's body wash and 1 men's body wash, and use that same BOGO coupon, and you're going to pay 40 cents more. So you would pay $2.99 for 2, or $2.99 for 2, or $1.50 a piece. I mean, that's a great deal on Dove. I'm kicking myself for not ordering those coupons now. My store keeps the razors in front of the register, so I'm going to break this down in another area. Okay, Cat's Pride cat litter. The 15 or 10 pound jugs are on sale BOGO at $9.99. There are $3 coupons. Mind your way. $3 coupons that are printable. I will say that I had a hard time printing these because I had previously printed them in a previous deal a couple months ago and gave them to my son's girlfriend who has a cat. I don't have a cat. I'm allergic. So you would buy two at $9.99. Use two of the $3 off one coupons and pay just $2 a piece for these if you could print them. The directions on how to print them is kind of tricky to print, even if it is your first time printing. The directions are in the link below on how to print them. I did a step-by-step with pictures for you. And I know this is not the fabulous deals that we're used to seeing with toilet paper, but it is a great deal. I'm going to put the link below to register for Scott coupons. There's a 50-cent coupon on there now, but every month they send me $1 off coupon. And this Scott toilet paper was on sale last week for $6.99, and it's on sale again. Or quilted northern toilet paper on sale this week again for $6.99. So I'm buying them and getting them for $5.99, which is a pretty decent deal when they're normally $9.56, and we haven't seen a toilet paper deal in a while. So to me, it's a decent deal. So, and it's our favorite toilet paper, so I've been picking it up at $5.99 last week, and you can pick up some, I guess, this week as well. I'll put the link below to the coupon. Check your Publix syrup. Mine has $1 off one hang tags hanging from them for Eggo waffles. So this Ben & Jerry's non-dairy ice cream is included in the BOGO sale. There was a $1 off one coupon for it, so if you printed that coupon, you could buy two, use two $1 off one coupons and pay $3.29 for two. Red Baron Pizza is on sale BOGO this week. We have no coupons, but BOGO at $5.07 for pizza. I think it's a great deal. Ritz cheese crispers are on sale BOGO at $3.69, and there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. Okay, these are adorable. I'm getting one of these little Ray Dunn mugs that I found at my Publix. I'm going to get the Boss Lady one because I like it, and I'm the boss of my house. They are $8.99 at my Publix. Guys, if you like, or if your kids like these, they are BOGO this week at $1.59. This Publix is busy today. They are BOGO at $1.59. They are on the regular juice aisle. They are the Publix gallon naturally flavored drinks. All right. Basically, it's sugar and water, but yum. If you saved or printed, I cannot reiterate how many times to save or print coupons when we have them that are great coupons. There was a 75-cent Juicy Juice coupon that did become unavailable last week, but it has not expired. So if you saved or printed it, Juicy Juice is BOGO this week, and it makes them 83 cents each. Check the cooking aisle in your store, the utensils and pans. Many of them are on clearance for very reasonable prices, and some of them are super cute. This is the second aisle in my store. Lots of cutting boards and pans and knife sets and popsicle sticks and so on and so on. These La Benarita flour tortillas are on sale BOGO at $2.48. If you're in a half BOGO state, this is going to be a pretty amazing deal because there's a $1 off one digital coupon. So if you are in a half BOGO state, you only have to buy one. That would be what, $124 for one, and then use the $1 digital, making them 24 cents. If you're in true BOGO, you got to buy two. deal for you and was going to do that while I was out of the way. There is a big razor coupon for $4 off. I believe this one went no longer available to print over the weekend. I posted it Friday for y'all. There is a $3 off coupon on their site, but hopefully you printed the $4 off coupon. It's $4 off one, and then there is a $2 off one sale, so you're getting $6 off any of these big razors. The Soleil is $6.49 in some areas, $5.99 in some areas, so these would be free in some areas. It is $7 something here, so it's going to be a little bit more, but regardless, it's a phenomenal deal. I'm picking them up here for $7 because I don't care. I mean, I'll pay $1.49 for a razor. Alright guys, so that is it for the best deals this week at Publix. The gum I found on clearance for $1 something, 3-pack. So I'm picking that up for my husband because he likes that. And sushi, it's Sushi Wednesday here. I'm in Georgia this week doing the videos early for y'all. So I am picking up the sushi for $5. It's $5 every Wednesday at Publix. So pick up your sushi if you come into Publix. It's every Wednesday, $5 sushi rolls. I know everybody's going to ask, so I will just say the sparkling ice are my youngest son's favorite. They are on sale in the extra savings flyer for 88 cents. I also wanted to share with y'all, in the extra savings flyer, there is a Visa gift card deal, where if you spend $50 in items at Publix, it says groceries, but groceries and Publix are considered to be everything but lottery, tobacco, alcohol. The exclusions are posted there on the coupon. But you can buy razors, or my Boss Lady cup qualifies, that I found that's super cute. So you need to spend $50 in items at Publix that are not excluded in the exclusion. Buy the $50 gift card, which you find over in the gift card station, and you will get $10 off your order. Unfortunately, though, this is a little different from gas card because there is a $4.95 activation fee on this card. But you're still saving $5.05 off of your order. And this card can be spent anywhere. It doesn't have to be spent on gas. So I keep one of these in my purse, and I will pay with this $50 gift card that I got from the last time I did this deal. And so it's not coming out of my pocket per se. So you can pay with this card and then buy one of these cards, because you're essentially buying the $50 in groceries with it. Alright guys, happy couponing.